Tired of takeout menus and burnt pots? This is gonna blow your mind. Imagine a world where a gourmet meal, say, a perfectly seared tuna steak with asparagus tips and a side of truffle risotto materializes before your eyes with the push of a button. No, it's not science fiction. It's the tantalizing promise of 3D food printing. This revolutionary technology is poised to change the way we think about food, from how it's prepared to how it impacts our planet. Join me as we explore this fascinating frontier, where culinary creativity meets cutting-edge innovation. We'll delve into the inner workings of this futuristic kitchen gadget, uncover its potential to reshape our relationship with food, and explore the exciting and sometimes strange possibilities it holds. Get ready for a wild ride through the future of food, where your next meal might just be printed, not prepared. I'm sure you've heard the news. 3D food printing is revolutionizing the culinary world. 3D food printing might sound like something out of Star Trek, but the concept is surprisingly straightforward. Imagine a sophisticated inkjet printer, but instead of ink, it uses edible ingredients. These ingredients, transformed into a paste-like form, are precisely extruded onto a plate layer by layer, following a digital blueprint. Think of it like building a house out of Lego bricks, but instead of plastic, you're using pureed vegetables, meats, or even chocolate. The printer follows a pre-programmed design, meticulously layering these food inks to create intricate shapes, textures, and even flavors. From delicate pasta shapes to personalized pizzas, the possibilities are as limitless as your imagination and the printer's capacity, of course. Let's peek under the hood of this culinary marvel. A typical 3D food printer comprises a few key components. First, you have the design software, where culinary creativity takes digital form. Chefs, or ambitious home cooks, can either choose from a library of pre-designed food models or unleash their inner artist and create their own. Next, we have the ingredient cartridges, the heart of the operation. These cartridges hold the building blocks of your printed feast. Think pureed vegetables, meat pastes, or even chocolate. Finally, there's the printing head, a culinary magician that dispenses the ingredients with incredible precision, bringing the digital design to life, layer by delicious layer. One of the most exciting aspects of 3D food printing is the unparalleled level of customization it offers. Imagine a world where you can tailor every detail of your meal to your exact preferences. Don't like mushrooms? No problem. Simply omit them from the digital design. Want your pizza extra cheesy? Just crank up the cheese factor in the software. This technology caters to individual tastes and dietary needs like never before. Imagine creating meals specifically designed for allergies, intolerances, or even specific nutritional requirements. For those with restricted diets, 3D food printing could be a game changer, opening up a world of culinary possibilities previously deemed off-limits. Beyond personalized nutrition, 3D food printing also holds immense potential for tackling global food waste. Did you know that roughly 1/3 of all food produced globally goes uneaten? This staggering statistic highlights a critical issue that 3D printing could help address. By using precision printing techniques, this technology minimizes food waste during preparation. Imagine using leftover vegetables that are nearing their expiration date to create delicious and nutritious meals. Furthermore, the ability to print exact portions could help reduce overeating and minimize the amount of food that ends up in landfills. Prepare your taste buds for a global culinary adventure. With 3D food printing, the flavors of the world are just a click away. Imagine downloading and printing traditional dishes from different cultures, experiencing authentic tastes and textures without leaving your kitchen. Want to try your hand at making intricate Japanese wagashi or delicate French pastries? 3D food printing can provide the precision and guidance needed to recreate these culinary masterpieces at home. This technology could democratize access to diverse cuisines, allowing anyone to explore the world's flavors with ease and convenience. Now, you might be wondering, will chefs soon be replaced by robots? Fear not, food lovers. While 3D food printing promises to revolutionize the culinary landscape, it's unlikely to replace the artistry and passion of human chefs. Instead, this technology is best seen as a tool, an extension of the chef's creativity, not a replacement. Chefs can leverage 3D printing to push culinary boundaries, experimenting with new flavors, textures, and forms that were previously impossible to achieve. Imagine creating edible sculptures, intricate food designs, or even personalized dishes tailored to individual guests. The possibilities are truly endless. The implications of 3D food printing extend far beyond our kitchens. This technology has the potential to revolutionize food production on a global scale, addressing issues like food security and sustainability. Imagine a world where nutritious and delicious food can be printed on demand using locally sourced ingredients, even in remote areas with limited access to fresh produce. This technology could also play a crucial role in developing sustainable alternatives to traditional meat production. Companies are already exploring the possibilities of printing plant-based meat alternatives, offering a more environmentally friendly and ethical way to enjoy our favorite meat-based dishes. Let's be honest, there's a certain wow factor associated with 3D printed food. Imagine the look on your guests' faces when you present them with a meal that looks like it belongs in a modern art museum rather than on a dinner plate. The ability to create visually stunning and intricate food designs is sure to impress, making every meal a memorable experience. Beyond aesthetics, 3D food printing can also add an element of interactivity and personalization to the dining experience. Imagine restaurants where guests can design their own dishes using touchscreen tablets, choosing their preferred ingredients, shapes, and even messages to be printed on their food. The future is tastier than ever. As with any emerging technology, 3D food printing faces its own set of challenges. Cost, scalability, and consumer acceptance are just a few hurdles that need to be overcome before this technology becomes mainstream. However, the rapid pace of innovation in this field suggests that these challenges are not insurmountable. As research and development continue, we can expect to see more affordable and accessible 3D food printers hit the market, bringing this futuristic culinary experience to kitchens around the world. The future of food is being printed, one layer at a time, and it's shaping up to be a delicious and exciting journey. Hungry for more? For more topics like this, make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Watch the recommended video on the screen right now. Imagine a world where your dinner is printed right in front of you. The future of food is here, and it's more exciting than ever. From intricate desserts to savory main courses, 3D printing technology is revolutionizing the way we think about food. Chefs and food enthusiasts are embracing this technology to create dishes that were once thought impossible. The possibilities are endless, and the culinary world is just beginning to scratch the surface of what can be achieved. Imagine gathering with your family and friends, watching as your meal is created layer by layer right before your eyes. The precision and creativity that 3D printing brings to the table are unmatched, offering a dining experience like no other. Restaurants of the future may have 3D printers at every table, allowing diners to customize their meals in real time. This technology not only enhances the dining experience, but also opens up new avenues for personalized nutrition and dietary needs. Nutritionists and dietitians can work with 3D printing technology to create meals tailored to individual health requirements. Scientists are continuously exploring new materials and methods to make 3D printed food more accessible and sustainable. Plant-based and alternative ingredients are being used to create delicious and eco-friendly meals. Grocery stores of the future might have sections dedicated to 3D printed food, offering a wide range of options for consumers. The future of food is not just about convenience, it's about creating memorable experiences and bringing people together. As we look forward to this exciting future, one thing is clear: the way we eat is about to change forever. Stay tuned for more updates on this revolutionary technology. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating topics. Watch the recommended video on the screen right now.